पहले जमाने में तो ऐसे ही होता था डेंजल।
देखो मैंने अभी तक अपना फ्लावर जस्ट इन केस इट हैपेंस
पर आज के जमाने में तो सब बेफिक्रे हो चुके हैं।
हाँ वैसे ये बात तो है, ये मैं मानना पड़ेगा कि इतने बेफिक्र हो गए कि दे आर एक्चुअली डूइंग अप टू 20 प्लस किसेस।
23 किसेस इन दिस मूवी।
मैं फेंक रहा हूँ अपने फ्लावर को, लो फ्लावर चाहो।
मतलब ऑब्वियसली किसको चाहिए अगर फूल, मतलब
सही बात है, अब वो जमाना खत्म हो गया। पहले क्या होता था कि लड़की को कहते थे पलट पलट पलट, अब पलट इज ऑफ।
पिछवाड़ा है।
हाँ, oh my god, that sounds really gross. But yes, you're right, पिछवाड़ा देखते हो, oh my god, yeah.
As we check out the
Yeah, I know that. Because if you say ass, it's not bad. Same as you call it a kiss.
अच्छा,
It's cool.
let's
But if you say चुम्मी चाटी किया तो it really is gross.
Let's shift the focus from ass to kiss because I think 2016 has been quite the year of kisses.
I swear.
And to begin with, the beginning of the year was Katrina Kaif and Aditya Roy Kapoor starrer Fitur, which had two very sensuous scenes. I think the movie was not so good, but the scenes were carried on. The kissing scenes were carried on very aesthetically. एक तो जो snow में shoot किया गया था, I think that was very beautiful. And Katrina Kaif, of course.
ये beautiful kiss का क्या मतलब?
She is very beautiful. It was beautiful.
Nice.
Shot Denzel, aesthetic था.
Very beautiful kiss. कोशिश करो यार, very beautiful की कोशिश ही होती है।
सेक्सी वाला किस तो आई थिंक फवाद खान और आलिया भट्ट का था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन कपूर एंड सन्स फवाद खान इज प्लेइंग द कैरेक्टर, सो वो तो बिल्कुल ही केलपीडी वाला किस हो गया था, लेकिन सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा मेक्स अप फॉर इट।
That's right. And actually, he's becoming quite a good kisser. He gets to kiss two women in this year.
Yeah.
The first one was
Katrina Kaif in बार-बार देखो।
exactly the closet kiss, the most calculated
Yeah,
one.
it was actually a closet kiss, literally the closet kiss. Then in Baghi.
Baghi? Oh, Baghi was, I thought it was quite cool because it was very Spider-Man-esque.
No, not Baghi. That was that's Flying Jat.
Oh no, Flying Jack. Yeah. Baghi is the other one. Baghi is the old
It's
school.
very old school.
You know, I
पुराने ज़माने में बस एक पेक थी।
हाँ बस बिल्कुल।
Actually पुराने ज़माने में तो longest kissing scene था।
हाँ but हाँ
anyway coming back to
वहाँ नहीं जा रहे हैं फिलहाल। ये 2016
का
में तो बता दे, it was
घरेलू kiss।
the घरेलू kiss going
Arjun Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor. I've not watched Kian Ka, so tell me something. Is it Kareena who initiated it or Arjun?
No, it's Arjun.
Oh.
Or let's say both because it's like the heat of the moment जिसे कहते हैं ना, उस टाइप का किस्सा तो नहीं, it's both.
One reason to watch this movie.
Then of course there was this really romantic one which was the drive-in kiss with Akshay Kumar and Iliana Dickey. What's the name of the movie? Rustam. मेरे को पता नहीं होगा Rustam. I think that Akshay Kumar is the most classy kisser of them all.
Bhai, I think he's the most athletic, sexy man who's got this naturally athletic, lean body.
मतलब speaking from a lady's point of view,
So,
I think that's one big reason for why it becomes so easy for Akshay Kumar to kiss, even though he might be an uncomfortable kisser.
I think he's totally kissable, yeah, because he's so sexy.
I kind
There's
of
no reason why I would think twice if I were to ever kiss, say, a Siddharth Malhotra or anyone, but Akshay Kumar, no.
Yeah.
Blind kiss, baby.
Okay, and there was of course the kisser boy who's kind of fading into the light.
Yeah, Raz reboot.
I know. Well, very nice kiss.
And that's Imran Hashmi. What happened to you, Imran? What's happened
to you? Exactly. No, but you see, that is the thing. That once upon a time, Imran Hashmi was the only kisser in Bollywood. मतलब उसके अलावा कोई था ही नहीं. बस वही जहाँ.
I think the only person giving him competition was Malika Shah.
In fact, मुझे याद है.
Because I remember Paish में Malika had 17 kisses and then.
That's right.
Imran picked up from there. Murder was all about kisses.
Oh, yeah, all these movies are all about kisses.
That's why he was titled as the serial kisser.
Exactly. But now Bollywood has become the serial kisser. There is no
Bollywood, and I think Ranveer Singh is the new serial kisser of Beat Out, considering there are 23 kisses in Befikre. All his movies have had kissing scenes.
Have you noticed these days Ranveer Singh looks like this?
Naturally Botox lips.
Exactly. Naturally Botox lips.
His tongue looks ready to kiss. So I think Ranveer Singh के पहले उनके lips enter करते हैं एक कमरे में. So
wow, very good joke. I like it. It's cheap jokes हो गई अभी ना.
बाजीराव मस्तानी हो या फिर which was that Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie with Deepika Padukone?
Ram Leela. Ram
was-
की Leela, Leela की Ram.
Then there's Dil Dhadakne Do. I think Ranveer Singh
मतलब पहुंच गया वो.
किसर ट्रैक में तो मतलब आप सबसे तेज भाग रहे हैं.
But you know, another movie that I quite liked about with its kissing, which is very wild, in a stable kind of a kiss, was Mirzya.
Mirzya.
मतलब
I think that must have been the only saving grace to this movie.
No, that was not the saving grace. That was just the you know, अच्छा ये भी हो गया, चलो यार, कुछ तो हुआ.
चलो कुछ पैसा वसूली हो गई.
किसी ने तो सीटी बजाई होगी.
What about Shivai then?
Oh, Shivai was very cool.
It was like, I think, a very cool concept of
Yeah. Erika Carr.
Erika Carr and
The
Ajay
best part is
Devgn
the first time
in a tent,
that
hanging from the highest peak.
and the highest kissed ever. I don't think anybody has done such a risky thing. Imagine if the tent snapped, click, and they went. Oh.
ऐसी मौत किसको नहीं चाहिए?
अच्छा तुम्हें ऐसी मौत लेना मुझे नहीं चाहिए बस बात ही है.
मैं मिली हूँ ना तो यार. Anyway,
But you know, it was also the first time that Ajay Devgn kissed, and I think a very good job he's done.
was it the first time?
Yeah.
Wow, so 2016 is indeed a very, very special year.
For
Yeah.
Ajay Devgn, yes, I think so.
And
उसकी movie
Bollywood
तो काफी
also, I
hit है
think
वैसे.
it's high time now Bollywood actually stepped out and it's now become very.
You forgot यार, एक दिन है मुश्किल यार.
एक दिन है मुश्किल भाई. रणबीर कपूर had a
Oh.
private party यार.
हाँ.
ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन, अनुष्का शर्मा. I think they've already had a case in Bombay Velvet also.
Yeah.
But anyway, coming to 2016, yes, Ranbir Kapoor also was one of the active participants. When
So
it comes
can
to
we
kissing
call it the kissing year for Bollywood?
for Bollywood?
Because think that everybody, but the surprising bit, you know, guys, is this: that both the Khans had movies this year. There was Salman
Yeah.
with Sultan, and then there
Shah
was
Rukh with Fan and
Dear
Dear
Zindagi.
Zindagi.
And in none of these movies have they kissed, which is the amazing thing. I mean,
So-
the Khans are actually moving out of the kissing zone. No, but Salman Khan actually was never there, and neither was
He
Shah
was
Rukh.
never there, but
Yeah.
Shah
They were
Rukh has
family.
been there.
Yeah, that's true. Huh?
Jab tak hai jaan.
Jab tak hai jaan. But theirs is the family type of movie.
Absolutely, but I really don't think it matters if the Khans kiss or not because the new kids on the block are here
totally
and they're
making up
here
for
to kiss and they're totally making up for it. Let's see if Befikre actually makes any difference with its 23 kissing scenes.
I swear.
On that note, we sign off.
No, let's kiss them goodbye today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Bollywood Pataka. I am Bollywood Begum.
And I'm Denzel.